everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be opening my fourth and final Ulta box. Today's been so stressful, so why not do a video to calm me down? So, in this box I have some stuff that'll complete my entire makeup routine, pertaining to high-end makeup. So have a little bit more in here. So I'm going to go ahead and just open that right up. Perfume fill. Okay, this knife. So I'm going to take my scissors and cut this baby open. This box is a little bit smaller than the last one, or the other one, or it was the second one. So I'm going to go ahead, and I'm sorry for anything again you hear in the background. My brother is next door, has an Xbox upstairs, and he is really loud and obnoxious. But don't mind him. Oh, and if you see me throw anything at my wall, don't mind that. Or yell and basically get extremely mad, because today has been just a really bad day. Okay, for the box I got 3 samples, and then I used the code Holy Grail to get 2 trial sizes of skincare. One of the things I got that I'm really excited for. Okay, so in this package I had the Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder in the mini size, which is about $15, I think. I think it was. Something like that. And then the next thing is the Benefit Cosmetics Goof Proof Brow Pencil, which I've been dying to try because I have the mini one, or the trial size one that I've been using. The Tarte Marine Boosting Mini Mist. The Benefit Cosmetics Boing Erase Case like concealer, I guess. The Tatcha the Silk Canvas Base Primer trial size, and then the Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare Alpha Beta Exfoliator Moisturizer. I'm so excited to try this. And then the 3 staples that I got are the Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Full Coverage Concealer. These, and then I got the Kat Von D Studded Kiss Cream Lipstick sizes, or trial sizes. And then I did the Smashbox Photo Finish Lid Primer. So there's 2 colors. There's light, and then there's medium. So I'm going to go ahead and open up everything else. Okay. So I'm going to open up this first, and it's a really cute little pencil case, and it's like, just so cute. It's in a little like, or pencil bag, pencil case, whatever. And it has, inside this it has 4 of the Boing concealers in light, which when I went to go pick the colors, I only saw that there was only 2 shades. There was light and then there was medium. There wasn't no dark. Kind of made me mad. So this is all that's in there. So I have the Benefit Boing Hydrating Concealer, the Airbrush Concealer, the Industrial Strength Concealer, and then the Brightening Concealer. I'm so excited to try these for my concealer, for my full face of expensive makeup or high-end makeup look. It's a little insert with it. Okay. Wow. It shows you all what to do, where the color codes are. That's nice. But now I have a little pencil case. And one says Benefit on the inside, right here. That's cute. So yeah, it has the Boing Airbrush Concealer in medium coverage. And then there is the Industrial Strength Concealer, that's full coverage. The Brightening Concealer, which is also another full coverage one, and then the Hydrated Concealer, which is a sheer coverage. So there's like a really good range of like sheer to high full coverage in this little set right here. I'm so excited to try everything. The next thing that I'm pulling out is the Goof Proof Brow Pencil. I'm so excited to try this. This will be my new brow pencil if I like it. I've tried it before and it's really good. So the next thing is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. It's a 4-in-1 setting mist, so it's like a setting spray. Yeah. And then the last thing that I bought is the Laura Mercier Ready Set Go Deluxe Mini Translucent Setting Powder and a little mini puff. Okay. So I already showed you guys samples, and so for my other things is the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Exfoliating Moisturizer. I've never tried this before. I'm really excited to try it. And then my primer that I'm going to be using today, or the next video, is the Tatcha The Silk Canvas Filter Finish Protective Primer. I've seen James Charles use this. I've seen Laura Lee use this. Every beauty YouTuber that I watch has this product. And I'm so excited to try this. I'm going to open all these packages up. Showed you guys today. So I did get the mini one because the full one is about $50. So I'm gonna, if I try this one out, then I might like it. So it's supposed to be like a pinky. I'll open it when I do a separate review, because I'm gonna do a separate review of each and every one of these. So there's that. That doesn't even opened. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. This is a really cute bottle. So I will test the spray of it in my next video. The next thing I want to open is the setting spray, which have heard so many great things about this, and it was one of the highest rated. It was a top best-selling and top-rated powder. So I got the mini size, which was, I want to say $12 to $15, I think. I got it in translucent, which is the lightest one. There was 2 shades. There was the translucent, and then there was what was it, like a medium or dark. It was dark. Yeah. How do I get this open? Maybe. Nope, I've got to cut it. Oh, it's like a puffy, like a puff, actual puff. That is so cool. Let's leave that. So for the concealers, I'm going to go ahead and open this up however I can. Oh, there we go. Okay. There we go. So here is the brightening concealer, and I'm going to do a separate review of each and every one of these. And these are the tiny ones. They are trial size. The only full size product that I got was this Goof Proof Brow Pencil. So, and then these little ones. This one looks like I already said, the middle cap. They all look like that, or at least these 3 do. I'm going to set that out. So I've got primer for my eyelids. I was actually really curious. I was really like hesitant on getting. Not hesitant. What is the word for it? Like I knew I needed a eye primer. So, and I forgot I got this one with it. So, and then I have a bunch of lips already. And I do want another concealer that's waterproof. So this one actually comes in like a really good like range. It has light or fair neutral, light warm, medium light neutral, medium dark neutral, and then dark warm. So I think for highlighting purposes, I'm going to use this one right here. And then it doesn't look like it gives much product, so I'll have to work with both of these shades right here. So, and then for lipstick, I think I want to use the studded. Gotta cut this open again. So the ones that I got are Bow and Arrow, Lovecraft, Sanctuary, Underage, Red, and Roxy. That's all the ones that I got. And then this whole thing shows the range of lipsticks that Kat Von D has. Super creamy, long-lasting, even bolder lipsticks. They're in 41 shades and 3 finishes. Which finishes did I get? Okay. So now I'm going to open up my brow pencil, and then I'll go ahead and do a video separating these guys together. So I did try this out in Ulta, I think, so I know what the brow pencil looks like. One end has the product, and then the other end has a spoolie. So, with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please just leave me a thumbs up and a comment down below telling me if you guys enjoyed it. And also, if you guys have any products that you guys want me to try, whether it's high-end or drugstore, leave them down in the comments below, and I will get back to you guys on that. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the post notifications button so you guys get updated when I upload a new video. With that said, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!